Hello, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick review and install of the Jomise dash cam mirror. Come on, let's check it out. Alright, so as I mentioned, this is the Jomise dash cam mirror. This one was sent to me for free, but I can still say whatever I want about it. So this one includes a 32 gig SD card, micro SD card. So let's check what's in the box. Packaging wise, very simple packaging. So nice. Okay, so it includes a user manual. So this is the G814. So it will just give you basically how to install it. It's protected. So this is the actual mirror. Okay, so it says here, pull out front camera because it has a plastic covering. So make sure to remove that to get clear picture. So it has the power button in here. And I think these are mic. Yep. So it says here that if you need assistance, feel free to call them to fix any issue. Okay. On the top, we have a Type-C connector. Okay. And then we have the AV-in. This is where you connect the other camera that's going to be located or installed at the back of your car. Also the SD card, got the Lexar 32 gigabytes, which is awesome that they're using Lexar. Okay, and then it has GPS plug in here because this one is recording your GPS location when you're traveling. So we have this rubbers. This will basically hug the back of your factory mirror. Okay, I'll show you in a moment. So we have a microfiber cloth in here just to wipe the screen. You have the GPS. Yeah, so the GPS is here. Have the rear camera. So make sure again to remove that. Nice. So it has a power lead in here, which probably when you want to hardwire it, you can do so. Okay, it also includes this adapter in here for the camera, rear camera, to put it on an angle. Yep, that's good. I like it. And also for power, it got the cigarette lighter type. So USB-C, 5 volts, 3000 milliamp for 3 amps. All right, so yeah, so come on, let's install this. We're gonna install this one on the RAV4. Come on, let's go. All right, so currently the one that we're using on the RAV4 is this CarMate rear view mirror. Got this from Japan. Yeah, this is very helpful. At least on the 4Runner, my wife keeps complaining that it's dark when she's using this. I'm not sure why she's seeing dark on this one. I don't have any issue on the 4Runner. But yeah, so let's remove this. Now we're going to install the new one. So let's remove this plastic cover. Don't forget to remove the plastic cover on the lens or the lens cover. So again, very easy to install. Remember, if your rear view mirror is longer than the actual digital mirror, this is adjustable. All right, this is the dash cam that's adjustable. First, let's secure the rubber at the back. So let's secure them from the top, and then it's just gonna loop here. So this is all adjustable. So there you go. Now let's see the other one. Go and just secure it there, and it latches. There you go. Looks good. I think it does. Looks good. So now we have to connect the power source. In this case, this will be powered temporarily by the auxiliary power, cigarette lighter. Then we're gonna put the GPS, so it's all gonna be on the top. Then the rear camera, we're gonna wire that. Then we're gonna pass it through here, going to the back. All right. So this is where I placed it. So I run the wire under the headliner, going to the C pillar, B pillar, and to the A pillar. So again, going to the weather stripping in here and going through here. Yep. Then just running through the A pillar, going in the front and connecting it in there. Right, so now with the GPS, if you want to use the GPS function on this one, you can install it. I don't need it on this car, so yeah. All right, so everything is set up. I put the GPS, I just put the wires of the GPS inside the FitCam X, and I just stick the GPS in there. So you may think it's kind of redundant that I have dash cam in here and another dash cam in the front of this Jomise digital rear view camera, or digital rear view mirror. So yeah, so with this, yeah, I don't really care about having multiple cameras. So my wife kind of like the idea of having a digital rear view mirror. Anyway, so yeah, so with this it should be good. Yeah, so we'll wait for her feedback on how is it, but I'm gonna drive this I'll probably later on when it's nighttime, just to test how it looks like at night. So with this you can view or adjust it up and down, not left and right. So if you swipe to the left, it will open up a split view of the front and rear, right? And if you swipe it again, it will just show the front view. So you can see here it is connected to GPS satellite right now, so it's communicating. And then for this has the speed showing and the direction. So yeah, so for this one it will be defaulted as rear view. So yeah, so for that, yeah, that's it basically though. So if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing. I'll put the link in the description below if you want to purchase this particular device. For me, it looks good. I think this is very competitive on the other popular brands out there, which I'm not gonna mention. For sure you know already which one I'm talking about, but this one looks good already. So again, and very competitive pricing. So again, I'll put the link in the description below if you want to purchase it. Again, thank you for watching.